Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 5-line speech on Teacher's Day. This speech can be delivered by kids in their school competition or Teacher's Day celebration. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line: a warm good morning to everyone. Second line: I wish you all a very happy Teacher's Day. Third line: today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Fourth line: on this day, we honor our amazing teachers in his memory. Fifth line: thank you all